Hi, welcome to question 36 of the STARR review. This question shows 4 triangles. One side of each triangle lies on a ray and the triangles are not drawn to scale. Not drawn to scale means you cannot tell the answer just by observation. You have to do some sort of calculation. Based on these triangles, which statement about x is true? X is here. So looking at the 4 choices we have, we are actually looking for the degree of this angle. What is the degree of this angle? So to solve this problem, we need to use 2 prior knowledge. First one is, in a triangle, the sum of 3 inner angles is 180 degrees. This is a prior knowledge, and it means for any triangle, the sum of the 3 inner angles is 180 degrees. The same for any triangle. Okay, using this one, what can we do is, if we know 2 inner angles, then we can find out the third one. So look at this, the last triangle. The other 2 inner angles are 30 degrees and 130 degrees. Then the third one, this last one, it should be the remainder. If we take away the 30 degrees and 130 degrees from the sum of 180, then the remainder should be the degree of this third angle. So it should be equals to 180, take away, subtract 30 degrees, then subtract the 130 degrees. The remainder should be the third angle, and it should be 180 minus 30 minus 130 is 20. It's 20 degrees. This one is 20 degrees because the 3 inner angles add up to 180. So we can find out the third inner angle. And the same thing can happen to the other triangles. For this one on the top right, 60, 60. So the third one should be another 60 because they have to add up to 180 degrees. And we can do the same thing for the other 2 triangles. Now, let's go ahead. We know this one is 20, and we are going to use another prior knowledge, and that is for a straight angle. It is 180 degrees. For a straight angle is, if there's a straight line, then the angle is 180. So in this last triangle, this is a straight line, so this angle is a straight angle, and this is a 180 degrees. Now look at this one. The 180 degree consists of 2 parts. One part is 20 degrees, the other part is x. This is a 20. So if we need the x, we just subtract this 20. We take away this 20. Then the remainder will be the x. So the x would be 180 subtract the 20 degrees part, and it's 160 degrees. So the x, this part, is 160 degrees. This is 160 degrees. So that means the correct choice is F. X is 160 because from 180 take away 130 and 30 degrees, we have 20 degrees here. And because of the 20 degrees add this x degree to 180 degrees, so x should be 160 degrees. And that solves question 36. Peace.